Here's your League News Wrap-Up for the week of June 9th. I'm Laurie Okawa, League Communications Officer. From Monday's Knowledge Source newsletter, Credit Union Network presents Learn how to provide information to assess a loan request in a concise, complete manner. Get samples of good content for your loan presentations, focusing on real-world expectations for quality loan presentations. The front line is the initial line of defense in identifying fraud and avoiding losses for both account holders and their credit union. Learn how to identify fraud at the time of account holder interaction. Review red flags. Work through what actions should be taken, what questions should be asked, and what vital details to obtain for proper incident reporting. Understanding how to prepare for and respond to a cybersecurity incident is critical. Having a response plan in place before something happens not only allows your credit union to respond quickly, it is a regulatory requirement. Learn the incident response process and gain tools to prepare for and respond to an incident. From on-course learning, make the most of your summer training budget with savings on webinars, workshops, and training programs, live or on demand. The more you train, the more you save. Buy 2 webinars and get 15% off. Don't wait. This limited time offer won't last long. Offer good through June 30, 2025. Keeping up with changes in deadlines and compliance gets more complex every year. This series includes bi-monthly 2-hour webinars focused on the most recent changes to the compliance landscape. Troubled debt restructurings require special treatment and must be identified, managed, and reported separately from other performing loans. In fact, all loans that have undergone a troubled debt restructuring are considered impaired, thus requiring an impairment analysis. Get the knowledge and abilities needed to improve your CECL board reporting. You will be able to report key indicators and changes in risk and use powerful data visualizations. You will also be able to keep the board informed and up to date with current risk assessments. From Tuesday's Big Idea newsletter, Gen AI technology has been improving in capability and performance to better serve highly regulated industries. Lenders recognize the potential of Gen AI to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive better decision-making. But how exactly is this technology used today? Zest AI shares 5 ways Gen AI is transforming lending. Cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities to steal information, money, and find ways to disrupt or destroy networks. Phishing, vishing, and other social engineering attacks are becoming more common and impacting individuals and organizations. TrueState shares insight on this and other cybersecurity hot topics. Check fraud, often seen as a declining threat, has reemerged as a significant risk in 2025. Despite the increase in mail-related check fraud, there are steps you and your account holders can take to help lower the risk. Abrigo's guide explores how backtesting helps institutions validate their CECL models, enhance predictive accuracy, and continuously improve their processes. In this webinar, experts discuss the many benefits of Nasdaq Verafin's financial crime management technology solution. If you missed this special session for Hawaii Credit Union League members, it is now available on demand. Learn how your credit union can outperform your biggest competitors and attract new members and deposits without a big bank budget. From Thursday's Conversation newsletter, HFS FCU announced 20 outstanding scholarship recipients of their 2025 scholarship program. This year, the credit union increased the number of scholarship awards from 15 to 20. Each recipient was awarded $3,000 for a total of $60,000 in scholarships for the 2025-2026 academic year. Hawaii First Federal Credit Union announced the selection of Mary Ann Otake as the credit union's new president and chief executive officer. She begins this new position July 1, 2025. Current president and CEO Laura Aguirre will retire June 30, 2025, after 33 years of superior leadership. Hawaii State Federal Credit Union presented a total of $37,500 to 2 local nonprofits to support affordable housing access and services to families experiencing homelessness. The donations were made possible through the credit union and the Federal Home Loan Bank of Des Moines Member Impact Fund, a matching grant program that amplifies the impact of financial institutions working to strengthen their communities. Hawaii credit unions are invited to register for the MAC 2025 annual conference. The Marketing Association of Credit Unions announced its 2025 annual conference from October 27 to 29 at the Fort Lauderdale Marriott Harbor Beach Resort and Spa. This premier event brings together credit union marketing professionals from across the nation for 3 days of inspiration, innovation, industry insights, and fun. As prices climb and wages lag, the dream of home ownership slips further from reach for millions of Americans. But understanding how unaffordable housing has become requires more than gut feelings. It takes data. For credit unions committed to financial well-being, knowing how to interpret data is critical to making informed lending decisions, guiding members, and shaping long-term strategies. And that's a wrap on this week's League News. Check your inboxes for our weekly e-newsletters. If you missed an issue, go to our website, click on Publications, and view the newsletter and video archives. And remember, keep living the dream!